You like my new face mask? Open, nice. Up here at Sierra today. Krystal's done with school. Safety hat! Safety first! Classic.
What's cooking? Good looking?
All right, so Krystal's done with school. It's winter break. We decided to come up to Sierra while we still had the time. I don't know. Join along.
Or too many layers.
Woo. It's too hot in the snow. Oh. What's happening? Just got done riding Sierra and we just checked into our timeshare that we're gonna be at for the next week until Christmas. Yeah, it's a pretty big place. It's bigger than our house and hopefully people will be meeting up. We're down in Genoa, Nevada at the hot springs, David Walley's. We'll get some hot tub time and some pool time in. That'll be cool. Take and bake pizza tonight. See you in a minute. I'm just cooking up pizza in the kitchen and she's in here just bubble bathing it up.